What is up, y'all? Welcome back to Qui Nichelle. We're on the channel. Y'all know we talk about fashion, beauty, and life. And y'all, me and Boo on the way to Walmart. Are we going to Aldi?
What is it?
Well, we're on the way to Aldi and Walmart. So we're doing a little grocery store run. And we're going to do a little vlog. And I think I'm going to vlog Baby grilling. Because Baby grills all the time. He loves to grill. So we are grilling today. And Baby does grill at minimum once a week. I told y'all. Today is Saturday. And I plan to get y'all this vlog today. If not today, definitely tomorrow. But we are on the way to Aldi and Walmart. So, make sure you do like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Because y'all know how we do on the channel, honey. And y'all know to tell a friend about Qui Nichelle, honey. Because y'all already know how we do. So, let's go.
Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me. Come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know. Even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong. Because I realize I got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm sitting with you. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you'll see the sun come out again. I know that I will never disappoint myself. I'm crying. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm sitting. You hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you'll see the sun come out again. I be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend.
Tell me how the type of seen her. It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen her hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time. She's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say, yeah. Excuse me, miss. Oh, yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, yeah. Are you trying to leave? Yes, I said I dance with you. How I love you, keep you here with me, yo, baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand and let's pretend the flow is ours. You say you don't really dance. Just 1, 2 step, 1, 2 step. Now with the music is moving too fast. Grab my hand a little tighter. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say yeah. Excuse me, miss. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say yeah. Tryna leave how I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. I think I'll say yeah. I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. I saw you from across the room, and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say yeah. Are you tryna leave? I said, how I love to keep just start by saying, yeah. I gotta give her game proper. Spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Oh yeah. You tryna leave? Oh. I said dance with you. Now I love to keep you here with me, you baby. Everybody just clap your hands like this. Just clap your hands like this. And if you shorties in the house tonight, just grab her by the hand. Homie, make her understand. Y'all will make it dance like this. Y'all will make it bounce like this. Let her know it's made for you, and you wanna do everything she want to, man.
Listen, wait, bagel.
Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do.
Okay, y'all, so we are back home from the store. And yes, honey, I'm undressed, honey. I got my bonnet on. I got boo robe on because I'm about to step outside. Boo is grilling. I told y'all that I'm gonna videotape him grilling. So baby is about to put the charcoal in the grill. Let me turn the camera, y'all. Give me a second. So baby is putting his charcoal in, as y'all can already tell. And y'all see we get dressed down real fast. Boo got some little kick around clothes on because he's about to grill. And y'all can already tell, honey, our grill used to be red. See it at the bottom? Honey, that grill got much play. So this is whatever he does. I'm normally not out here because I'm always, let me turn it around. I'm always prepping the food, like as far as, you know, cleaning and seasoning and doing whatever sides, if we eat sides. Sometimes Boo just grill and we just eat the grill food. But baby wanted some macaroni. So I'm going to make him some from scratch. And I am giving y'all a video on that. But let me turn this around. And baby used a match light, King for his match light. So that's why he's lighting the paper or whatever. And setting the rack. Okay, so that's pretty much what he does. Of course, the coals got to get gray and then he can put the meat on. But I'm about to take y'all back in the house and we're going to season the meat. And yeah, I'll see y'all in a second. Okay, y'all, so I just got through cleaning this meat. So now what I'm doing is just towel drying it and drying out this pan. Y'all, I don't know why I got this big old pan because it ain't even that much, you know, meat that's about to go on here. But I'm just trying to dry this out so I can put the seasoning on and it could stick or whatever. So, give me a second. Okay, so now we're going to go in with the seasoning. And let me put y'all, I'm going to try some new, because y'all know I got my new camera. And I'm going to stick y'all like this. So y'all can see, that is so cute. So y'all can see the meat or whatever from a different angle. And y'all, I'm really in love with my camera. Y'all can see me from like this part, but y'all get the gist. We're going in with some seasoned salt or seasoned salt. I'm not gonna put a whole lot because I'm putting quite a bit of different seasonings on. And we're gonna go in with a garlic and herb, all purpose, so this can go on kind of anything. And I'm just gonna season all of this the same. This is a porterhouse steak that me and baby gonna split, and then these are some lamb chops or whatever. And all of this gonna get seasoned the same way. So we got some beef Knorr. And y'all, I'm gonna pat this in when I get through with all the seasonings, and then I'm gonna put a little bit on the other side as well. We're gonna use this 6 pepper blend. And we never used this on the lamb chops or nothing, but we're gonna see how it tastes. I don't think we ever put it on steak either, but we're gonna see how it tastes. It's been good on everything else. We got some cayenne pepper. So, yeah. We're gonna have some garlic powder, of course. Love garlic powder on everything. Onion powder. Black pepper. And I think that's all I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna pat this in like this. Nothing too extreme. And y'all know when you cooking meat, let it sit out before you put it on the grill, put it in the oven or any of that. So it can be room temperature when it goes on the grill or in the oven. So we're just gonna flip these over. And give me a second to wash my hands. I'll be right back. Okay. So on the back side, I'm just gonna go in with pepper. Love black pepper, y'all. And probably regular salt. And that's all I'm going to do on the back side. Or this is sea salt, which is less salty than like iodized salt, in my opinion. So that's all I'm going to do on the back. I'm not going to do all of the seasonings I just done. Okay, y'all. So I hope that was a good angle. It looked like it from what I could see. Or whatever. But that's all I'm going to do for this. And I am going to stick this to the side. I think I'm going to put it in a Ziploc bag. And just let it sit on the counter. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And I think all of this gonna fit in this one bag. Cause I have the oven on. I am filming on my phone, y'all, and on my Osmo Pocket 3. Cause I have several videos that I'm doing for y'all at the same time. So this is in a Ziploc bag, and it'll just be on the counter. And baby will get this whenever his charcoal is ready. I'm gonna put this seasoning up, and then I'll be back with y'all when it's time for baby to put the stuff on the grill. And yeah. Okay, y'all, so it got done kind of quick. This is that porterhouse steak that me and baby will be sharing, and then all the little lamb pieces. I do have some macaroni in the oven that I will show y'all once it is done. So yeah, I have some macaroni in the oven that I will show y'all when it is done. I did make a separate video showing y'all exactly how I made the macaroni, so that will be coming out as well. But y'all, that is now he has the hot dogs on there. Grilling the hot dog is pretty simple, but I will show y'all the hot dogs when they are done. And like I said, I do have macaroni in the oven, so I'll show y'all everything before I end the video. So I'm gonna show y'all now that everything is done. Let me turn the camera around. So we do have some baked macaroni that I just pulled out of the oven about 5 or 6 minutes ago. We have a steak that me and baby will be sharing, and some lamb. We do have some jumbo hot dogs, and I pulled out the red beans from where we had red beans and rice the other night. So that is dinner, y'all. I'm about to get ready to eat and chill out. Hope y'all enjoyed the vlog, enjoyed baby grilling and just seeing the spread, honey. So this should be a good length for y'all, a good lengthy vlog. But anyway, y'all already know, honey, we are out.